Have you ever wondered how the world's fastest trains are built? From raw aluminum to a sleek, high-speed machine capable of traveling over 300 kilometers per hour, every step requires incredible precision. Today, we're going inside a modern bullet train factory to discover the amazing manufacturing process. The journey begins with lightweight aluminum panels. Advanced robotic machines cut, shape, and weld them together to create a strong yet lightweight train body designed for both speed and safety. Next, the massive wheel assemblies, called bogies, are installed beneath each carriage. These systems support the train's weight while ensuring a smooth and stable ride even at extremely high speeds. Now the heart of the bullet train comes to life. Powerful electric motors are installed beneath each carriage along with advanced braking systems and high-voltage power equipment. Every cable and electronic component is carefully connected and tested to ensure reliable performance at speeds exceeding 300 kilometers per hour. With the train's mechanical systems complete, attention turns to comfort and technology. Engineers install the driver's cabin with advanced digital control screens, communication systems, and safety controls. Inside the passenger coaches, workers carefully fit comfortable seats, LED lighting, large panoramic windows, luggage racks, air conditioning units, and modern information displays. Every detail is designed to provide passengers with a safe and comfortable journey. After the train is fully assembled, it enters a massive paint facility where robotic spray systems apply multiple protective coatings and the final color scheme. Once the paint has cured, engineers begin a detailed quality inspection. Every door, window, electrical system, braking system, and safety feature is carefully tested to ensure the train meets the highest standards before it ever carries passengers. Did you know? Some modern bullet trains can carry more than 1,000 passengers while traveling at speeds of over 300 kilometers per hour. With manufacturing complete, the bullet train moves to a dedicated test track. Engineers carefully evaluate acceleration, braking, suspension, stability, and onboard control systems. Every test is designed to ensure the train performs safely and smoothly at extremely high speeds before entering passenger service. Did you know? Every new high-speed train goes through thousands of inspection points before it is approved for passenger service. With manufacturing complete, the bullet train moves to a dedicated test track. Engineers carefully evaluate acceleration, braking, suspension, stability, and onboard control systems. Every test is designed to ensure the train performs safely and smoothly at extremely high speeds before entering passenger service. Did you know? During testing, high-speed trains are pushed to their design limits to verify their performance before carrying passengers. After months of engineering, testing, and inspections, the moment has finally arrived. The doors open, passengers step aboard for the very first journey, and the bullet train glides away from the station with incredible smoothness. Within minutes, it reaches breathtaking speeds while offering a quiet, comfortable, and safe travel experience. What began as raw aluminum and thousands of precision-engineered parts has now become one of the fastest and most advanced trains in the world. From raw materials and robotic assembly to high-speed testing and the first passenger journey, building a bullet train is a remarkable achievement of modern engineering. Every component is designed with precision to deliver speed, safety, and comfort. If you enjoyed this factory tour, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more amazing manufacturing documentaries. Tell us in the comments, which factory should we explore next?